Hello everybody, how you doing? Jarity here. I just got a few new locomotives in the post, and I thought I'd just do a very quick video just to show you what they're like. Now, this one is amazing. I'll show you the. This is a cotton belt SD45-2 Bicentennial. Yes, it's when the United States became the United States, and it's a celebration of that. And Southern Pacific produced this wonderful engine. It's DC equipped, or DCC equipped, I should say. Sorry about that. And it's absolutely amazing looking thing, and it weighs an absolute ton. So we're just going to open the backs, or the box. Pull it out. Oh, there it goes. And take the top off if we can. Oh, sorry about the blurriness. And there we go. So I won't take it all the way out as yet, because wow, look at that. I mean, the detail on this is fantastic. Here, up here, if you find it, whoa, the horn, bell. Now, the horn and bell is usually elsewhere, well, unless I'm wrong, but it's prominent there, as you can see. The paint scheme is fantastic. And it's got gold underframe and bogies. Dear, oh dear. Let's have a look at the top. Ah! And he drops it. Oh, God. Never mind. That's the way it goes. Okay, that's the trouble with trying to film this sort of thing and talk at the same time. But that is amazing, isn't it? Let's have a look at that one. It is, without doubt, pretty loud when it comes to the paint scheme, but as a celebration, it's fantastic, isn't it? Let's have a look at the details at the top here. You have to be very careful how I hold it, of course. We've got lots of etchings. So the diesel outlet, exhaust I should say, is etched, and also the what the hell these things are. Dynamic brakes, thank you very much. And it's got lots and lots of detail. I have to be careful not to drop this again. There we go. So this is just a quick video just to show you this. I'm amazed. I'm going to put it on the test track downstairs and just give you a few rounds. Now it's got, I wonder what sort of lighting it has. Now it has at the front there the two headlights. Then there's headlights on either side, and there's also another light at the top which is red. I have no idea why. Perhaps it's a Mars light. A Mars light were used in the 40s and 50s, and they actually sort of blinked with a pattern of a blink. I think it's, but what a locomotive, eh? Ah, amazing. It looks stunning. I don't know if it ever pulled freight or not in real life. Anyway, enough of that. We're going to put it onto the test track and see how it runs. I'll see you in a bit. Hello again. So here we go for a quick test run. I'm using a Prodigy Plus, I can't remember what this is called now. A Prodigy Advanced MRC controller. DCC of course. And as you can see, there's plenty of lights on this machine. No ditch lights, which is a bit of a shame, but you can see the lights here. It looks fantastic. So let's see how it goes. Nice and slow to start off with. There she goes. Picking up speed. And she should be coming around. sometime. Here she comes. Wobbly track, I'm afraid. It's only a test track. There we go. Couple of circuits round, I think we'll go. She's quite smooth. I think she just needs a bit of a run-in for about half an hour each way, and she'll be fine. But I'm quite pleased with it. It is a stunning looking model. A little bit more speed just to see how noisy she gets. A little more noisy than I would expect. We'll just slow her down. Right down. And there she is. Fantastic. Anyway, until next time, chaps, see you soon. Bye bye.